Hello everyone, good day. For today's video, we're gonna show you a video tutorial of how to use Microsoft Word Office and PowerPoint. Let's start with the Microsoft Word Office.
From the desktop or from your Start menu, open Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word will open up and present you an option to select a document template or a blank document. If you don't want to use any of the templates on display, click on the blank document. A new blank document will open up ready for you to start typing. So how to insert graphics, tables, and charts in this document? Let's start with the chart. The first thing we need to do is to go up to the Insert tab and go along to the chart icon. Click on the drop down and then you have a number of different options to choose from. So let's say, for example, we have this column. The next thing to do is to click OK. As you can see, there's a spreadsheet that come out. So in the spreadsheet that appears, replace the default data with your own information. So in here, as you can see, there's an information wherein we can change it. If we want to add, we can encode another data. You can close the spreadsheet. So here it goes. If you want to adjust the size, you can drag this one to adjust its size. So that's how you're going to insert chart in a document. Now let's go to the table. Again, click the Insert tab and choose the Table menu. The first option is you can select directly the rows and columns you would like to create, and as soon as you select it, it will be drawn on the sheet. Like for example, we will have 5 rows and 5 columns. So as we click it, it is automatically drawn on the sheet. Still, we can adjust it by dragging downward. The next option is, again, go to the Insert tab and click the Insert Table. Once you click it, you'll get a dialog box. It will manually ask you how many number of columns and rows you want. As you can see in the default, it says number of columns are 5 and the number of rows are 2. So I'll try to increase it. Then click OK. So as you can see, there are 5 columns and 5 rows inserted automatically. Now, once you create a table, you can use these 2 tabs, the Design and Layout tabs. With this, you can change the design of your table, such as its color and structure. So you have many options to choose. You can add the text you want. So that's how you make or you can make a table. The next one is, how are we going to insert a graphic or picture? So again, we are going to click the Insert tab, then select Pictures. Then choose the picture you want and click Insert. Once inserted, you can change its format or drag it to the position you want to place it. So like for example, if we want to change its size, we can go to Format tab and select Crop to adjust its size. Once you're done adjusting its size, click again the Crop, and here it goes. If you want to drag it and place it to the position you want, just right-click and choose the wrap text, then click square. With that, we can already drag the picture to the position we want to place it. So that's how we insert a picture on a document. Now, let's learn how to apply format on the text, sentence, and paragraphs. In Microsoft Word, the look and feel of your document has a lot to do with the formatting. And now, we will learn how to do it. I'd like to start with the font size. If you want this bigger or smaller, you can adjust its size. First, you have to highlight this. Then, go to the font group on the Home tab and locate the font size box. You can enter the exact font size you want or click the drop-down arrow to select one. You'll see the preview of the results as you go down the list. Another options for quickly changing the size of your text is through this shrink and grow. All you have to do is click the command. If you want it bigger, you click this one. Then if you want it smaller, you can click this one. So that's it. That's how we can change the font size. When it comes to the font style, Again, go to the Home tab and locate the font style box. Click down the drop-down arrow here, then make your way down the list. So as you can see, you have a lot of options to choose here for your font style. If you want it kind of formal, you can choose the Arial font. If you want to add some color on your text, just click this one. Click the drop-down arrow here, then make your way down the list. So you have a lot of options to choose based on your preference. Another way to make your text stand out is to use bold, italic, or underline. If you want this bold, just click this one. Then if you want this italicized, just click this one. And if you want this underlined, just click this one. When it comes to the alignment of your text, we have here 4 options. And since this is a title, we should place it in the center. This paragraph should be in a justified form. So highlight it first, then click this justify. So that's it. That's how you add format to your text. To save this document, click the File tab, then choose Save As, and select the folder where you want to save it. And in here, you can put the file name. Then click Save. So that's it. So how can you create a standard document using templates? As you can see, there are a lot of templates you can use. Choose the template or the document that is similar to the one that you want to create. And then click Create. Once open, you can make the changes you want to. You can change the font size, the font style, and the alignment, and most especially, the content. So that's how you can create a standard document using a template. Once done, you can save it.
Now, let's learn how to create a presentation using PowerPoint.
To create a slideshow or a PowerPoint presentation, first, you have to open the PowerPoint. When you launch the PowerPoint program, you may be prompted to pick what kind of document you want to create. Choose to create a blank presentation. The next thing is decide what design you want for the presentation. To do this, go to the Design tab at the top of the page. Scroll through all the options and decide which one looks best for the presentation you want. This design will be automatically continued throughout the rest of your presentation. Then, click the first box that says click to add title and add the title of your presentation. Once you have your text in the box, you can change its font, size, color, and etc. with the toolbar options at the top. Also, you can change the size of the text box by selecting it and then dragging the corners of the box. To move the text box, select the box and move your arrow over the border of the box. If you are going to add another slide, there are few ways you can do it. Notice that there is a separate area to the left of the screen where your first slide is located. The first way to add a slide is to right-click the area under where your first slide is located and select New Slide. A new slide will appear. The second way to add another slide is to click New Slide in the toolbar above the slides. And that's how you can add new slides. If you want your presentation to be effective, you can insert a chart, picture, graph, even video and audio. To do it, click on the Insert tab at the top of the window. Here, you will see buttons of all the options of what you can insert into your slide. Click the designated box and insert what it is you want to have on that slide. For chart, just click this, then choose what chart you want to insert. Then click OK. Then if you want to insert a picture, click this one and choose the picture you want. Once you have your chart or picture, you can add a border or edit it however you want in the Format Lab. If you're going to add video in your presentation, click the Insert tab and click the Insert Video and find the video you want to add from your device. Then click Insert. And there you have it. And to add audio, again, click the Insert tab, then select Audio. You have two options. First, you can add audio from your device, and the other one is you can record audio. Find the audio that you want to add from your device. Then click Insert. To save your presentation, click the File tab, click Save As, then select the folder where you want to save it. Then add your file name. Then click Save. There you have it. The presentation has been saved. PowerPoint has the ability to use templates to create presentations. These templates are designed to give your slide presentations a consistent appearance. Templates can contain layouts, colors, fonts, effects, background styles, and even content. To enhance your presentation, you can use these templates. And aside from this, you can browse the internet for more choices of templates. From these templates, you can choose one that you're going to use for your presentation. Download this as PowerPoint template. Once downloaded, you can now open the file and edit your presentation. Now, you can edit your presentation by using this template. Aside from its creative design, it will also guide you for your content. Once you're done editing your presentation, you can now save it by clicking the File tab, then click Save As, then select the folder where you want to save it, then put your file name, then click Save. And that's all. That's how you save your file.
That's it! We hope that you've learned from our video tutorial. Thank you for watching! Stay safe and God bless!